Good morning everyone, it's me Pasang Lama. So today I will be presenting about my web application in SmartPantry iteration 1. And for this application my part is the use case 2, which is the inventory management system. So this is the content for my presentation today. The project overview, working prototype, test cases, in collaboration, project progress and the conclusion. So let's go with the project overview at first. The SmartPantry. What is the SmartPantry? The SmartPantry is a web application that helps users to manage household food inventories, track the expiry dates, donate the surplus food, receive expiry notification of the food, and reduce the food waste. And my responsibility in this application for iteration 1 is the use case 2, which is the inventory management system, the food group API, inventory interface, dashboard integration, and gig collaboration. So we can see here the working prototypes of the inventory pages. This is the first page you will see when you do the inventory pages. And for adding the item, this is the interface. You can see we can add the name of the food we are donating, the quantity, unit, expiry date, category, storage location, photos, and we can also add the note for the donating. And after adding the food, we can also edit the food. Like if there is a brown bread here, we can change it to egg, and we can also change the quantity, unit, the category, storage location. Also, we can choose the photo of the required one and add a note for it. And if we have problem adding the food, we can also delete the food, and you can see the dialog box appear here. Sure, want to delete it, and we can be okay also and cancel also. Now let's go with the interface I have made. So this is the interface of the inventory part, and you can see we can add the item here. So let's add the item at first. So as you can see here, I have put the name to the bread and then quantity 12 unit pieces, and we have also added the expiry date for the bread. And the category we have said is the dairy right now, and the storage is the fridge. And we have also added the photo of the bread we are donating. And the location is the Kathmandu, so we can add the item right now. So as you can see here, the bread has been added successfully. You can see here the interface also. Now we will add without a photo which food we are going to donate. As you can see that we have also added the egg here without the image, which worked perfectly. So now after adding the food, we can also edit this part. Like let's change the name to brown breads. As you can see, the name has also been changed successfully. Now if we don't want this egg, we can also delete it. As told earlier, the pop-up message will come here if you want to delete the food. And you can see the food we don't want has been deleted successfully. Now let's go with the presentation. So for the test case, the login has been successfully, and the result is also displayed successfully. So you can see here the test cases. The test case of login, what the user expected. The user expected to log in successfully, and the actual result also displayed successfully, and the status is passed for this one. And for the second test case, which is the adding the food in the inventory, what the user expected was food item is added, and the actual result is food has been added successfully in the inventory, and the status is passed. And for the third case, which is the eating food, after adding it to the inventory, we can also edit it. And the expected result is food details are updated, and the actual result is updated. Details are displayed successfully, which is status is passed. And for the fourth is, which is the delete food after adding, which we don't need. And the expected result is food item is removed, and the actual is food item no longer appeared in the inventory, which has been sold before also, and the status is passed. So to see the actual result of the test case, we will see in the playwright. So this is the playwright, and my part is for the add food item to the inventory UI and showing expiry. So let's see of the SD4. As you can see here, the test case has been passed successfully, and you can see here the screenshot of the result. Like this, we will see of the SD5 also, which is showing the expiring date. So for the SD5 also, we can see that all the test cases have been passed successfully, and you can see the screenshot of the test case also. Now let's see in the Excel. So this is the testing file of the UC2. The test scenario of the add food item to UI is positive, and this is the test data. This is the step we have done for the testing, and this is the expected output, and this is the actual output of the testing. And you can see here the screenshot of the playwright report we just saw just now. And this is for the next test part, which is the expiring soon one. You can see here the test data, the test step, and the expected output. And this is the actual output of the test case. And this is the report of the playwright we saw just now. And this is the Git collaboration we did it. And this is the history of the commit message one. And this is the link of the repository. And the featured branch is Pasang inventory, which has been stored in this image. And the project progress is my activities, inventory UI development, which has been completed, and the backend API integration also been completed. The code functionality also completed. The expiry date tracking also completed, and the testing and validation also completed. And in conclusion, we can see the inventory module has been completed successfully. Successful collaboration with using it, and ready for iteration 2. Thank you.